Now, sometimes you will come up with the situation where the slave switch is not understanding any of the commands from the master switch. In this case, let's have a look. Now, you just turn on the light. That's the higher side, holding it. It's gone halfway. Let's assign it to this button. Now, in a real scenario, the light should actually start to go up. That matches the original button performance, but it's not responding to that frequency. So what that means is basically the slave switch needs to be reformatted. To do that, all you have to do is basically make sure the lights are off, turn on the lights, keep holding the button, don't let it go. The lights will go off, keep holding. The lights will come back on. What just happened, it's basically the master switch has sent the signals to clear up the programmings. So this is brand new. That's back to 0 again. So let's go again.